sum of difference into a product. There are formulas or identities to convert sum or difference into product in T ratios. Sin A plus sin B equal to 2 sin A plus B upon 2 into cos A minus B upon 2, and sin A minus sin B equal to 2 cos A plus B upon 2 into sin A minus B upon 2. Cos A plus cos B equal to 2 cos A plus B upon 2 into cos A minus B upon 2. Cos A minus cos B equal to minus 2 sin A plus B upon 2 into sin A minus B upon 2. So we are observing that in case of sine, different trigonometric ratio comes: sine, cos, cos, sine. If plus sign is there, then sine comes first. If minus sign between sin A and sin B, minus sign is there, then cos comes first. But in case of cos, same trigonometric ratio comes: cos, cos, and cos A minus cos B, same trigonometric ratio comes: sin, sin. If plus is there, then cos, cos comes. If minus is there, then sin, sin comes. And one difference is also there: in case of cos A minus cos B, minus sign, minus comes first. So in this way, we will keep in mind in all these, and now we solve questions based on these identities. Express as a product cos 2 theta minus cos 4 theta. So cos 2 theta minus cos 4 theta, the same trigonometric ratio comes. If minus is there, then sine comes. So minus 2 sine angle addition upon 2 sine angle subtraction upon 2. 2 theta plus 4 theta is 6 theta divided by 2. It is 3 theta. 2 theta minus 4 theta upon 2. After simplification, we have minus theta. And we know sine minus theta is equal to minus sine theta. So minus comes out. 2 sine 3 theta sine theta, minus minus plus. So final answer is 2 sine 3 theta into sine theta. Next example, prove that cos 15 degree minus sine 15 degree equal to 1 upon root 2. Cos 15 and sine 15, different trigonometric ratios are there. So first of all, we convert in a same trigonometric ratio. We can change cos into sine, or we can change this sine into cos. So first of all, we make these two trigonometric ratio in a single trigonometric ratio. So that's why cos 15 degree we may rewrite like this: cos 15 we may rewrite cos 90 minus 75. 90 minus 75 is also 15. Sine 15 as it is. Now cos 90 minus theta is sine theta. That's why this is sine 75 minus sine 15. So now we change this difference in our product form. So we will use identity for converting into a product form. So this is sine minus sine. Sine minus sine, different trigonometric ratio comes. In case of minus, cos comes first. So 2 cos angle addition upon 2, then sine angle subtraction upon 2. So this is 2. 75 plus 15, 90 divided by 2, 45. 75 minus 15 divided by 2, this is sine 30. So now we know the value of cos 45, this is 1 upon root 2. Value of sine 30, 1 upon 2. This 2 cancelled with this 2, we have 1 upon root 2. This is right hand side. Another examples we are taking. Prove that cos 4x plus cos 3x plus cos 2x upon sin 4x plus sin 3x plus sin 2x equal to cot 3x. So now we are observing that output angle is 3x. So that's why we will not apply formula for 3x. So we will rearrange this numerator and this denominator also. So cos 4x plus cos 2x, now we are rearranging cos 3x, and now sin 4x plus sin 2x plus sin 3x. So in this way we rearrange and we apply identities for the first two: cos 4x plus cos 2x. So cos A plus cos B identity we will apply here and convert in a form of cos cos. Cos A plus cos B in a product form comes 2 cos cos. So this is 2 cos angle addition 4x plus 2x divided by 2. This is 6x divided by 2. 3x comes. And now cos A minus B upon 2. So 4x minus 2x is 2x divided by 2. Only x comes. And plus cos 3x we keep as it is. Now sin 4x plus sin 2x. So sin A plus sin B identity we will use here, and in product form it comes 2 sin angle addition upon 2, 4x plus 2x, 6x divided by 2, 3x comes, and now cos angle subtraction divided by 2, 4x minus 2x divided by 2, only x comes. So after that, in numerator cos 3x is common, we take cos 3x. In denominator sin 3x is common, we take sin 3x as a common. Now 2 cos x plus 1 is cancelled with this 2 cos x plus 1. Only cos 3x in numerator and sin 3x in denominator remains. So cos upon sin we know very well. This is equal to cot 3x. So this is our right hand side. Thank you.